This is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I'll show how you can copy your contacts from SIM card to the phone's storage on this device. So if you would like to transfer, copy, or just move all or any of your contacts from SIM card storage to the internal storage of your phone, so first open the phone app, select the Contacts section, then go into Settings, Import, Export, Contacts. Here at the Import Contacts field, select your SIM card, in my case that is Play. Then select where you would like to copy your contacts to. The only option that I have is phone storage, so I'll go with this option. Well, I do not have any contacts yet, so let me create some real quick. So I'll create query or query turned out, and I'll also create, I don't know, let's say test. Now let's get back to the contact import export interface. Play phone contacts. Here select either all contacts or what contacts you would like to move in particular. Then hit the OK button, wait, and that'll be it. The contacts have been, as you can see, they are doubled now, or duplicated rather, so that means that they have been moved to the phone storage successfully. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.